Now is available at McCarthy Cars Volvo XC60 diesel, 10 plate 2010, metallic black. Car has front daylight, it's got front bi-xenon light, has front parking sensors, 18-inch alloy wheels. Car has electric panoramic glass roof, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors, has reversing camera, split folding rear seats, full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, 4 electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, full electric seats, dynamic glass roof. Has premium sound system. It's got USB, AUX connection, satellite navigation, push button to start. Car has heated seats, 2-zone air conditioning, automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.